To convert your PDF file to Excel, open your Adobe Acrobat, click on File, Open, and then navigate to the folder, which folder contains your PDF file. Select the PDF document and then open the PDF. So this is my PDF document. I'm going to convert to Excel. Going to File, hovering on Export to Spreadsheet, and here you can select XML spreadsheet, or you can select Microsoft Excel workbook, and here we can see the file type. Now go to the location where you want to export it and then click on Save. And after exporting the Excel file, the file will automatically open with your Microsoft Excel app, just like this. Now you can go ahead and easily work with this Excel file. And if you want to see the file, go to your File Explorer, and here you will find the Microsoft Excel. You just convert it using a PDF file.